Hurricane season starts June 1st and runs through the end of November, and every Louisiana resident should have a game plan.
What is a hurricane?
A hurricane is just a large mass of clouds spinning counterclockwise, fueled by the world's oceans. And what they bring is rain, it brings all sorts of wind, and it brings flooding for us. And it's something we have to be concerned with every year.
Get a game plan for you and your family.
What to do before a hurricane?
Protect your home and have an evacuation plan that includes one for your pets. Consider, what supplies do you need? Do you have any special needs? Select a sturdy, waterproof container for your emergency supplies and important papers. Your kit should contain a 5 to 7 day supply of food and water for each family member, medical supplies, batteries, a flashlight, a weather radio, and important records. Before a storm, you should also remove dead or diseased trees and limbs that could damage your home. Also, consider what outdoor items could become a projectile in high winds.
The way we measure hurricanes is by the strength of the winds. The weakest of hurricanes, 74 miles an hour, but they could range from the Category 1 all the way to Category 5, which is winds in excess of 155 miles an hour.
Check your insurance policy thoroughly each year. Check on your name's storm deductible and any exclusions. All homeowners in Louisiana should also have flood insurance if you live in a flood-prone area. Finally, know where your water, electricity, gas, and propane utility connections are on your property. Learn how to safely disconnect these utilities if necessary.
What to do during a hurricane?
If Louisiana is tracking a storm with possible landfall, a hurricane warning will be issued. If you are within 200 miles of the predicted path, here are the steps you should take in the days prior to landfall. Secure your home. Close shutters or install 1/2 or 3/4 inch plywood over your windows. Bring all loose outdoor items such as lawn furniture inside. Use local media, the internet, and your weather radio to track the approaching storm, and keep in mind a predicted time frame when the winds and rains are expected to be in your area. Gas up your cars and check on your gasoline supply if you have a generator. Also check on a supply of propane for outdoor grills. You may also sanitize your bathtubs and fill them with cold water. Turn your fridge and freezers to their coldest settings. Also, in the days preceding an approaching hurricane, residents need to prepare for a possible evacuation.
Before you evacuate, you should consult with your local Red Cross office to get a copy of an evacuation guide that shows you the latest evacuation routes. In addition, you can go to getagameplan.org for the latest information. And above all else, don't panic and remain calm.
If you are in your home during a hurricane, here's what to do. Stay safely inside at all times during high winds. Stay in a room on the first floor without exterior windows and centrally located. Even if the winds die down, do not go outside until given the all clear.
What to do after a hurricane?
When you get the all clear that the hurricane has passed, check on your family members, then survey your home and roof for damage. Also, take this time to check on your neighbors and assess any needs. Do not use water from the faucet for drinking, food preparation, or bathing until you have been told that the water supply is clean and secure. You could be without power for extended periods after hurricane-strength winds. If you have a generator, this is the time to set it outdoors and away from your home. Most smaller generators can only power your refrigerator, a few small fans, and a light. Never plug your generator directly into your home's electric system. This can pose a danger to workers trying to restore your electricity.
After the storm has passed, remember, emergency personnel have to get to you. Stay off the streets.
And that's how to get a game plan for you and your family. Thanks for watching this edition of 5-Minute Game Plan, brought to you by the Governor's Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness. For more information, visit getagameplan.org.